Hi friends, it's Stacy with Florida Life Mobile Home Sales. I'm excited to share this Florida Life FSBO up for sale by owner listing. For pricing and details on this home, including the owner's contact information, please see the description under the title below. You can also head over to floridalifefsbo.com. That's floridalifefsbo.com. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. The home is located in Bayshore Windmill Village. It's 603 63rd Avenue West. This is lot T-5 in Bradenton, Florida. This is a 1975 completely updated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with 2 lanais, a workroom and laundry room, double-wide mobile home. For pricing and more information on this home, please see the description under the title below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. There are many details to go over in this home. We'll start with the freshly painted driveway. The whole exterior of the home has been painted. We'll step inside to the front lanai that spans the whole width of the house. This is a tinted vinyl lanai sunroom with luxury vinyl plank flooring. Take notice that the ceiling in the lanai is without any flaws or pitting from the weather. New coach lighting has been placed on the exterior doors. As we go through the home, take notice that it is being offered fully turnkey furnished and has been designed in a fun bohemian style. Several accent walls have been designed with shiplap finishes. New ceiling fans have been added to all of the rooms. You can see by this view that the lanai area opens up through the sliding doors and really increases your entertaining space. All the windows in the home have been treated with a 2-inch cordless blind. Plenty of room in this layout for a little office space. And a nice dining room area with coffee bar extending the space into the kitchen. The kitchen had major updates with additional new kitchen cabinets, all new stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher, floating shelf, new lighting fixtures, new sink, kitchen counters, and backsplash. All manufacturer warranties and registrations will be for the new owner. The primary bathroom has new vanity, bathroom mirror, lighting fixtures, and comfort height water-wise toilet. The second bedroom carries out the shiplap design in the little seating alcove. Fun decor, bold design elements make this a very pleasing guest room. The closet with the sliding bypass door is located right behind the doorway. Details that run throughout the house are matte black finish door fixtures, freshly painted interiors, all new baseboards, and luxury vinyl plank flooring. The primary bedroom and ensuite bathroom carry on the fun design style of the home. Two closets with the Bahama style doors create a nice little seating nook. And it even comes with his and her set of golf clubs. The ensuite bathroom has new vanity, mirror, and lighting fixtures, along with comfort height toilet that matches the other primary bathroom. This also has a nice step-in shower for a full ensuite bathroom. In addition to the two closets, there's a nice roomy walk-in closet. And just a quick overview of the layout of the home before we take a tour of the exterior. Stepping out of the kitchen, we're in the second screened lanai. This area is defined by these two large storage areas, one as a workroom. This area offers nice sized workbench, an extra stainless steel refrigerator, and plenty of room for additional storage. This is your laundry room, complete with washer dryer, utility sink, folding table, and plenty of room for storage. The oversized hallway gives you plenty of room for beach toys and bicycles, all within the screened area and under cover. Outside, you can see that there's a nice distance between homes, giving you plenty of privacy. In this view, you really get an idea of the nice exterior paint color. All of the awnings are in great shape, and the skirting is a PVC style with additional brick edging to keep things secure from lawn equipment. This is a perimeter lot of the park and faces the park's green space. You can see the roads have been freshly paved and are wide. The landscaping is well manicured, and the home really does offer nice curb appeal. I thought we'd come back and take a quick look at this home just about at sunset. There is a private gate entrance into the rear portion of the park. This is operated with remote control and is just a few houses down. This makes for a quick entrance or exit out to all shopping and dining in the area. and at the same time, the gate is used just primarily by the residents in this area of the park. This gives you a nice idea of the green space located across from the home. This is a pet-friendly community, so this lot is extremely nice for those of you who may have a dog to walk. As a quick recap, here are just a few evening shots of the home. Bayshore Windmill Village is a 55 plus gated community that's pet friendly. It offers swimming pool, shuffleboard, pickleball, clubhouse with lots of social activities, and close to shopping and beaches. Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life FSBO for sale by owner home tour. For pricing and full details, including how to contact the homeowner, just check the description under the title below the video. You can also visit us online at floridalifefsbo.com. That's floridalifefsbo.com. You'll find all our FSBO listings as well as information about our flat fee for sale by owner program. Looking for full service listings, just head over to floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be glad that you did. Now don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. Have a great day and bye for now.